Welcome to a new video about eHorus, a Pandora FMS product. Installing the eHorus agent on Mac for version 10.14 and higher requires a special setting. A setting that any remote control tool also needs, as it is a safety feature of the Mojave versions and higher versions such as Catalina, for example. To do this, once the eHorus agent is installed like any other agent in the same way that we have done so far in previous versions, you need to go to the System Preferences, select Security and Privacy, and go to the Accessibility tab. In Mojave, you will find this Accessibility tab. On the other hand, for the Catalina version and higher versions, you will have a new section called Screen or Screen Control, but basically the operation is the same. To make any changes, you will have to unlock it by entering your admin password and manually adding an application that you give permissions to control the computer. In case you don't follow these steps, your eHorus agent, although it will work, won't allow you to control the screen or add anything with the keyboard or move the mouse pointer. Next, you add an application, and to find it you can press Command, uppercase, and the letter G. Then enter the folder where your agent is installed, which is in /usr/local/eHorus_agent, as you can see on the screen. Search inside this folder for eHorus Display and search for the application eHorus Display Manager. Select it, and once it appears on the screen, stop your eHorus agent. If it does not let you access this menu, you have to activate the menu with the admin password, and then you should be able to access the menu. If, for whatever reason, you don't have this password or you don't know how to restore the eHorus agent, you can restart your computer so that it takes the changes. From this point on, any eHorus agent on any version of Mac allows remote control. We hope this has helped you. We'll see you in one of our following videos. Thank you.